live, YouTube. So what do we got going up here, Dave? We got the new alternator.
Yeah, 200 amp alternator.
High output. Got to get a belt for it. The belt's going to be a little short, so we're going to go send a couple inches bigger.
We're pre-wired for our sound system.
Got your main 0 gauge coming through.
We're pre-wired for our auxiliary wiring back there.
Oh, wow. Then
we got a circuit breaker for it.
Okay, so it's all going to be routed through that, so you can kill everything just like that. Huh?
Don't have to be going hunting for fuses when the fuse pops.
Yeah. So if something shorts out, that'll pop.
Yep,
too.
it'll pop.
Yep.
We're not hunting for stuff.
All right, so yeah, we got button up that alternator, and there's that bracket too. We can probably take this bracket off.
Yeah,
just
we
one bolt there.
Get back there, get the bracket off.
Yeah. So.
We're prepped there.
All right. So we got the hole patched, going into the floorboard here. Which you POR 15'd all this up, huh?
Yep, we POR 15'd it.
I don't want to touch it too much.
It.
Oh wow. Yeah. Looks nasty, but yeah, it'll work. Yeah, and there's where the power wire comes through right there. And then Dave's got all this freaking wiring going on, so
we got some good old coax cable used for RCA cables, so we can run it right next to our power wire and not get any noise.
Yeah, you got all your new speaker wires running everywhere.
Speaker wire ran for everything.
So you're running speaker wire right from the 4-channel amp right to all 4 doors.
Yep, we're not even going to go do the 9-wire like some of the guys do.
And you can see all my kill mat. I went through and I laid it everywhere. Very tedious to do, but I did like the A pillars, these pillars right here. I know that one's covered up. You can see this one here though. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good, man. Did most of the roof, everything that I could. Didn't want to interfere with the sunroof, so I skipped some parts there. But finished up the whole floorboard.
C-pillars and D-pillars are done.
We got the light bar off, so we're going to be redoing that. So you can see all the wiring there. And we'll go to the back here. So
we're kind of a mess right now.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Better.
Yeah, we'll get there. So basically kill matted everything. I mean, you can see it here. I really went to town with this stuff, but if we got it, you might as well use it, right? And so this is all kill matted here, as you've seen in the last video. Now we got Dynaliner on top of that, and actually now using it, I think that's some pretty good stuff, man. I mean, you can kind of hear how that just kind of absorbs the sound, you know.
Yep.
So then yeah, so you got your going to be your ground here, right?
Yep.
That was pretty. You covered it all up, but that actually came out really good. So that's going over here somehow. You'll have 2 going to each amp. And you got, all your, this is coax they're going to be using for RCA, so that'll be interesting to see. So you got tons of extra RAM, so you're just going to cut it and trim it to fit.
We're going to make it fit and make it fit perfect.
And then you got all your speaker wire here. There's your main power. So we're using this here to feed the power?
Yep, we're going to use that to feed the power.
Yep, so you have a fuse back here too, so it'll be double protected. Yeah, so explain this here. Now you got some relays going.
So we got both relays here. They're going to feed 2 light bars. We're going to add on one more probably for our 3rd light bar.
Okay.
We got a fuse block here that is constantly fed power.
Okay.
So we're going to fuse each hookup.
Okay.
And then we're going to run a wire. I still haven't planned it out too well, but we're going to have a quick disconnect somewhere so Ryan can take his basket off.
Yeah. So basically I got the roof basket. We're going to mount the light bars to the roof basket. And the plan now is we're going to have 1 light bar in the front, and I'm going to put 2 on each side. And they'll all be separately controlled by switches up front. So that's basically what all this is going to handle right here. And that'll do it. So.
And any future things you want to add on later.
Yeah, so it's pretty much very expandable. So one of the next things we got to do, now Tuesday we're getting the component set. I got a Polk Audio. There's 4 6.5s for each door. Front's going to be component, right? Is that what you call it?
Yep, there'll be components with separate tweeters.
Yeah, so the front you'll have a crossover, run tweeters to the dash. We're going to pull each door panel off, and same thing, we're going to kill mat behind each door panel. I mean, we'll see what it looks like when we get them off, see how much we can lay. And I heard that really, when you lay that kill mat in your doors, that's what really makes it feel like a sturdy door. You know, it doesn't feel like it's cheap and thin metal, you know, like it really is. So, and that this thing should ride really quiet now. So after this,
it'll ride like an Oldsmobile was supposed to.
Yeah, exactly, man. This is how GM should have did it. But yeah.
Oldsmobile was a luxury line for GM.
Yeah. So basically, yeah, we gotta get all the wiring finished up. We're gonna kind of test everything out, right?
Yep.
And then basically laying down jute padding, all new black carpet, and start getting the interior put back together. We'll get all the door panels back on, make sure that all the stereo's working good, and then last but not least, we're going to pull the dash one more time because we want to check everything out. We got a mysterious, very annoying rattle going on. So hopefully we can find that because after all this work, I really need to fix that one. Because that thing is really loud. I don't know what it is. I don't know what's going on, but I think if anybody can fix it, it'll be Dave Maclean.
Oh, man.
So, we're getting there, man. We did a lot of work today. I mean, I got over here at like 9. I mean, I put 6-7 hours into this thing today, just laying kill mat, really, while Dave was doing wiring, so, you know.
A lot of detail work.
Oh, yeah. I mean, this wiring is, I mean, it's going to be legit. This is better than a professional install. So, yep. And then all those light bars will look good. I'm going to get all 3 brand new ones. I'm going to go with something a little more fancier than what I had before. The main thing is I had the light bar mounted in the front here.
Right into the
and it was and it was in
front.
It was in front of the sunroof, so you got a lot of wind noise. And when you'd open up the sunroof, it was even worse. You really couldn't open it when you're going down the freeway or anything.
Which is odd because Natalie's, her bar, if it's sitting here on her Trailblazer, gets a lot of wind noise.
Yeah, so
it's kind of weird with these roof racks how you get weird wind noises from them.
When I had this roof basket up here, you couldn't even hear it. You couldn't even tell it was there, and I was really worried when I first put it on. So basically, that light bar is going to sit, you know, like back here. It'll sit behind the sunroof now. You'll have one in the front and 2 along each side. I think I'm going to go with just like a slim row, you know, nothing too crazy on the sides, but it'll still be pretty bright. So out on the trails, you know, you pretty much have 360-degree lighting, you know. And in the back, eventually, just do LED reverse lights in the bumper, like right here. That's what they do. They cut it. See, I'll wait and do this next year, Dave, because I want to get the bumper resprayed and get the front end resprayed. That'd be a good time to cut it, mount your lights, and let the body shop guy finish it and paint it. Yep. And then you can wire those up. You just hook those up to the reverse lights, because that's the only time I'll need lighting in the back. So
we can do some trick stuff with that.
Yeah.
We could put it on a switch that you can override and light them.
Yeah.
There's a way to do it.
But Dave is the wiring wizard. I mean, you ever need any custom wiring work done, this is the guy you want to talk to. So, it's looking good. Alright, YouTube, we will update you here in a couple days, see where we're at. Catch you later on.